Unveiling the mystery, the acid test of language. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across, put to the acid test. This phrase has a rich history and a powerful meaning, making it a great tool to have in your language arsenal. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it effectively in English conversations. The phrase, put to the acid test, is used to describe a situation where something is thoroughly tested or examined to prove its quality, value, or authenticity. It's similar to saying that something is being put through a rigorous challenge to see if it meets a high standard. The acid test is the ultimate test, one that leaves no room for doubt about the true nature or value of what is being tested. The term acid test comes from a practical test used by gold prospectors and chemists. In this test, nitric acid was applied to a metal to see if it was gold. Pure gold is not affected by nitric acid, so if the metal passed the test, it was proven to be genuine gold. Over time, this literal test for gold's authenticity transformed into a metaphorical phrase used to describe any method of proving the worth or integrity of something. You can use put to the acid test in various contexts, ranging from personal to professional. Here are a few examples. In business, before launching the product, we need to put our marketing strategy to the acid test to ensure its effectiveness. In personal relationships, trust is something that is often put to the acid test in challenging times. In technology, the new software will be put to the acid test during the beta testing phase. Using this phrase adds a layer of sophistication to your language and allows you to articulate the concept of rigorous testing or examination with flair. And there you have it, folks. The meaning, origins, and use of the phrase, put to the acid test. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about history, culture, and the myriad ways we express our thoughts and experiences. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to put your language skills to the acid test every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.